Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to give you chess tactics for intermediate players. I am going to give you 5 different chess tactics for intermediate players. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the tactic 1 for intermediate players in chess. Okay, let's go to the tactical 1. Okay, let's go to the tactical 1. This is called advanced phone tactics. Okay, I am telling again, advanced phone tactics, the first tactics. I explain some words of advanced phone tactics. Okay, advanced phone tactics are based on the fact that you will probably win the game if you can find a way to promote your advanced phone. This often implies a sacrifice that will help you achieve the objective. Okay, I am telling again, advanced phone tactics are based on the fact that you will probably win the game if you can find a way to promote your advanced phone. This often implies a sacrifice that will help you achieve the objective. Okay, we can go to the example. Okay, this is the tactic 1. First move is black chain. If it possible, black is first move. Okay, now black chain. Black pushed his rook to here on d1. Good job. Black made a good job. The best move of white here is to cut the rook. That one is the best move of white. Okay, then he take like this. Then white to make a beautiful move now. Black take a beautiful move. Sorry, black take a beautiful move. He push the pawn to h2. Then white chain. White cut the pawn. Then promote to a queen black. Okay, in this particular chess game, black win easily because black gets so many pieces. Because I am going to teach you, black has a queen, 2 bishop pawn and a king. White has rook and 4 pawn. That's why this game easily won the game black. Okay, let's go to the chess tactics for intermediate players, tactic 2. Okay, hi everyone, this is attraction chess tactics. Okay, attraction tactics are when to force an enemy piece onto a square where it will become vulnerable to another tactical ideas. This often involves a piece exchange that attracts an enemy piece to the square where it becomes the subject of your follow-up tactics. Okay, I am going to give you attraction these tactics. Okay, first move is black chain. How to black won the game, this particular chess game. Okay, you can watch now. Okay, first move is rook take the bishop. Okay, now check. In this particular chess game, now if cut the rook, white the king, find a skewer. Beautiful move make game. White, black bishop go to there and beautiful skewer here. That's why black will need. Okay, bishop go to here on h6 and checks skewer. In this particular chess game, now king need to move. King go to here on e5. Then wrap the rook. That's it. That's why this game black win easily because black gets a pawn up and bishop up. Okay, in this particular chess game, white lost. Okay, we can go to the tactic 3. Okay, this is called double check in tactics. Okay, the interesting thing about a double check is that the only way to get out of check is to move the king. It is not possible to capture or black to checking pieces with one move. The position below illustrates the fact. Okay. Now go to the example. First move is white 10. It is possible for white. Okay. Rook go to e7 and beautiful check. In this case, this is discovered check. You can see here. Now this bishop there is a check. In the same time, this rook easily cut the rook. Okay. Now king need to move. King go to f8. Then cut the rook. That's it. Totally this game white win easily. Okay. Let's go to the fourth tactics. Okay. Hello everyone. This is pawn tactics. Okay. The majority of tactical patterns involve the larger pieces and therefore it's easy to overlook the tactical potential of the number humble form. That is why it makes sense to pay special attention to pawn tactics. Here's an example. I am telling again, the majority of tactical patterns involve the large pieces and therefore it's easy to overlook the tactical potential of the humble form. That is why it makes sense to pay special attention to pawn tactics. Here's an example. First move is black 10. Okay. Push the pawn to f5. Now fork the bishop and knight. In this particular chess game, bishop needs to move, so king knight needs to move. The opponent playing bishop go to f3. Then cut the knight. Then we will see bishop take the pawn. That's it. Totally this game black win easily because black has a piece up. Okay. You can go to the tactical 5 wrapped pieces. The heading wrap pieces. Okay. Hello everyone. This tactic calls wrapped pieces. Okay. When a chess piece becomes severely limited in its mobility, such piece is often vulnerable to tactics, particularly to being wrapped. Black's queen is surrounded by numerous pieces, number of pieces, which severely limits her mobility. White can take advantage of this fact and wrap the queen while playing a sacrifice. Okay, I am telling again, when a chess piece becomes severely limited in its mobility, such piece is often vulnerable to tactics, particularly to being wrapped. Black's queen is surrounded by numerous features, which severely limits her mobility. White can take advantage of this fact and wrap the queen while playing a sacrifice. Okay, let's go to the white turn first. Bishop go to c4 and black is forced to take as there are no more space for the queen to move to safety. Okay, black is forced to take as there are no more space for the queen to move to safety. That's why this game, pawn take the bishop, grab the free pawn, then pawn take the pawn, then queen take the bishop. That's it. Now wrap the rook, queen. Totally this game, black lost, white won the game. That's it. This is the all 5 tactics, chess tactics for intermediate players. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.